Hello, lovely people. We have a piece for us to discuss, and it goes as follows. Which of the following apparatus can be used to measure a specific volume of a liquid accurately? A. Beaker. B. Conical flask. C. Measuring cylinder. And D. Pipette. The key word here is specific volume of a liquid accurately. So if you pay attention to these key terms in the question, then pipette gives it away as the correct answer. All of them are used in measuring volume, but a specific volume, pipette 20 or 25 cm cube or mils, as the case may be. Measuring cylinder can be used to measure other forms of volume. Is out of it, beaker is out of it. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, follow our channel for more. Thank you.